My name is Justin Goldman. I'm the co-founder and CEO of RenoFi. This was a special day. It was November 2013. It was the day that my wife Megan and I bought our first home. In that picture is our 18-month-old son at the time, Declan. When we bought this house, we did so knowing that the kitchens and bathrooms were far from ideal. We didn't care because the things that we couldn't change, we loved. We loved the neighborhood, tons of young families. The house was the right size. It was a great school district. We were 3 minutes away from our in-laws. And while for some of you that might be a major negative, fortunately for me, it was a big positive. But it didn't take long before we started to dream about a renovation. Renovating costs way more than you think it does, it turns out. If you actually chart how much tappable equity we would have had based on a simple assumption of 2% annual appreciation and paying down our mortgage, it would have taken us 13 years to have enough tappable equity to do the renovations that we wanted to do. That is when I knew renovation finance was broken. It changed the way you value the home. When you renovate, typically, the value of your house goes up. If we give homeowners the benefit of that increased value up front, you can dramatically increase their borrowing power. And this is what RenoFi loans do. But we are not the lender. Instead, we have built a platform and we partner with credit unions and empower them to offer the best-in-class renovation financing solutions to their members. RenoFi's platform underwrites the renovation risk of the project. You can think of it as the FICO score for renovations. We have a marketplace where we educate consumers that there's a better way now, that RenoFi loans exist, and we match that demand to our lending network. We are a real company. We are backed by some of the best investors in America. We have an experienced management team, a world-class engineering team, and we are growing like crazy. Owners love both us and our credit union partners. We are their knight in shining armor. Without us, most of the homeowners that you see up here would have had nowhere else to turn. And I was one of them. Not only am I the co-founder and CEO of RenoFi, but I'm a customer. This is our kitchen. This is our family room. This is our mudroom. And this is us back in March celebrating Shay's fourth birthday in our new kitchen. So our big idea is simple. We want to empower lenders to help every family in America make their renovation dreams possible.